was really slow today. It's weird.
Yeah. You good? Ready. That's what's up. Terminator. We'll get you.
No, it's not down.
How many people got filled up?
Want to film our stretch session, dude?
Yeah. So try a trick with me.
What track?
2 on, switch up, press 4.
Press 4?
Yeah, dog. Yeah. Who cares? Yeah, son.
COC, shred.
Yeah. Do you want me to say something? Or should I just look good all day?
Just look good all day.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, anybody, if you want to try something that's a little bit crazier than what you're used to, it's a lot better hit and miss.
Every time I do that, I bounce and fly into that thing. It's like turning this into a normal trampoline.
Yeah. It's still bouncy as hell. Oh, yeah.